Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. You'll probably recognise this type of key. This comes as standard with a whole range of models across the Chrysler and Dodge ranges. And in this video we're going to be showing you how to change the battery. So first of all we need to remove the actual metal key blade, and to allow us to do this it's got this little sliding lock mechanism just at the bottom here. So what we want to do is slide this lock across to the side, and then this section on the bottom will slide out, and that's our key blade. As you can see, this one is currently uncut. This is a brand new key. So for the next stage, our plastic casing is made up of a front and a back, and we need to split these apart. So if you come to the back of the key where you removed your key blade, and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver just to help prise it apart. So just gently insert it into the little gap there, don't go too deep, and just split them apart. And once you've got it started, you should be able to pull it apart just using your fingers. And then this centre section, which is rubberised, will lift straight out from your plastic backing. And this is the section that contains all of the brains of the key, so just make sure you're careful with that. And so you can see we've got the battery here, so we'll just gently pull that forward. And so we now have removed the battery. And the battery that these take is a CR2032 battery. We will add Amazon links for these into the video description below. Now in our instance this is actually a brand new battery, so we're going to be refitting this one. What we need to do is when we fit this we need to make sure that the side that has the writing on it is facing downward. So we'll take our plastic case, and it's got two little metal arms just here, and what you're going to do is just splay those metal arms apart, just push the battery and pop it into place like that. Then grab the section that has the buttons in it. Just be careful as you fit this in that the rubber membrane fits around the edge correctly. Make sure that's seated properly, and then take the second part of your plastic casing and just slide that over. And then we just need to click this into place all the way around the outer edge. And all we need to do is then pop our blade back in, and that's the battery change process complete. And if this video has been helpful for you, before you leave us here on YouTube, can we ask a quick favour? Can you please be sure to hit that like button for us? It really does help us out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.